10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Aiden!
Oh!
Wait!
Time with Aiden and Club. Come play with us. Yay! 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 Yay!
Hi!
Hi, it's my Aiden Daddy.
Welcome to Aiden Daddy Playtime again. Aiden, what are we gonna play today?
I'll make a pop Minion.
Pop Minion. Ooh, looks so fun. Are you guys ready to play?
Yeah!
Okay, let's do it. Let's see what's inside. See what's inside. Whoa, what is that? These rockets, multiple color rockets. What else is inside? Open it up. Whoa! Okay guys, we set everything up already. We have the blue rocket here, orange rocket here, green rocket here, and yellow rocket here. We have the Minion rocket here, and then the barrels are gonna send Minion into the space. And then we're gonna have Minion and Mr. Potato Head joining us to play. Are you ready? Okay, let's put the Minion inside the barrel and give it a little turn. Alright, Aiden, which color are you gonna pick? You gonna pick orange? Okay, orange for you. How about Mr. Potato Head?
With a potato.
You gonna pick orange? So you're gonna pick blue then, okay? And then Daddy will pick green, and then Minion will pick yellow. Okay, Mr. Potato Head go first. Okay, now Daddy turn. Daddy will go here. And Aiden turn. Aiden, you need a blue one now. Oh, Mr. Potato Head again? But this one's yours, okay? Okay, now it's Minion turn. Minion, we're gonna do this one. Aiden turn. Okay, Daddy turn. Go down lower in here. Ooh! Now your turn, Aiden. The blue one.
Good job.
Good job. Which one you gonna pick? Which one you gonna be careful? Be careful. This one? Okay. Oh no! Mr. Potato Head lost his hand. Oh no! Now it's Minion turn.
Watch out.
Watch out! Watch out! I think it's right here. Oh! Okay. Oh, okay. Not that many left. Only this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. 5 left. So scary. I'm gonna pick this one.
I can play this one.
This one? Okay. Oh my god! Minion's turn! I am Minion! I'm gonna pick this one! Oh! This one! Oh! Minion wins! That's the second game begin. Gonna go to the Minion side. Twist, 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 twist. Okay. I think it's Aiden turn. Okay. Now, Daddy turn. Aiden turn. Oh! Whoa, Aiden! That was so cool. Only 3 rockets, you won. Good job. Oh, you. Okay. Let's see.
Round 3.
Round round 3. Pick your rocket, pick your rockets. Whoa! Okay. Let's put it together. Let's play round 3, okay? I think Mr. Potato Head will go first. Mr. Potato Head, go first.
I'll eat.
Oh, I know. Okay, how about Mr. Potato Head? What color? Green? Okay. You're twisting his arm. Don't break the arm. Oh my god, you broke the ear. He cannot hear the rocket then. Let's put it back. Okay, Minion turn. Minion will pick yellow. Minion will go here. How about Daddy turn? Daddy, which color should Daddy pick? Huh? Which color should Daddy pick?
I would like to do
What color?
orange.
No. Daddy will pick green. Rocket ready to send the Minion into space. Let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Aiden.
Oh!
Wait. Who wins?
Daddy wins.
Oh no!
Oh no! Last game.
So how many points each get now?
Aiden got 1. Minion got 1. Daddy and Aiden got another 1. It's a tie, so it doesn't
So half
count.
and half then.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
then you get half point, Aiden get half point.
whoever gets the next one, unless Mr. Potato Head wins, then we'll play round 5. Final playoff round.
Ready?
Ready? Okay, let's go. Aiden, put it in. Oh! Put it in. Spin. Okay, Aiden turn. Oh, Mr. Potato Head? Okay. Be careful. Don't break the arm now this time. Okay. Daddy turn. Ooh! Aiden turn. Oh! Aiden, good job! Aiden wins!
Aiden get 2.5 points. Aiden wins.
Good job, Aiden. What did Aiden win today if they win?
Aiden, look.
Aiden, what's the prize for you?
Mommy got you a surprise.
Wow! A surprise!
Do you want it? Do you want it?
Okay.
Shake it.
What's inside?
What is
Open it. Whoa!
What is that?
It's a ring game. Aiden, look! You got these water ring games. Looks so fun.
How do you play, Daddy?
You gotta push these buttons to push the rings into the hook. Look, let's give it a try. Oh, look! There's the green and yellow ring inside now. Gotta do it a little slow before you pop them out.
Wow.
Whoa, there's an orange one. Oh, the orange one pop out. Oh no, they both pop out. That is so cool. I'm gonna share these toys with Claire. It looks so fun. Everyone's got these rings on the whole side. Look. Only one side now. Looks so fun. We had so fun playing the Minion pop-out today. Did you have fun, Aiden?
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time when we play more fun games and more surprise egg toys. See you next time. Bye. Oh no! Ooh. How about this one? Whoa, so cool. Oh no! Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see who goes first, okay?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.